We have important updates to talk, as well as you seen from the title, regarding the Linea Airdrop, the allocation, and all of that. So we jump straight onto the laptop. Make sure to leave a like, and we see here that the Hemi Airdrop claim is now live. So let's go and claim two airdrop first. First is the airdrop over here, the Hemi one, which the price right now is about 1.7 cent. There are three different types of locks: a 3 month, a 6 month, or a 12-month allocation. The link will be down below. Make sure to go and check it if you're eligible. This is what you see if you're not eligible, like myself. If you're eligible, you will see it like this. Also, we then have the Union Airdrop Checker. You probably participate in this one, check the results, do all of the things. If you are completed, if you are possible to go and check your location, make sure to go and check it. It is this one, as you see here. If you're not, you get the same results. So let me know your allocation as well down below. One important thing for all of you traders, if you want to try and trade, simply sign up 2 weeks. You get a 100 position bonus, which means if you deposit $100, you get $100 for free, which you can trade with, and then not touching your $100 that you did sign up with. So very, very nice for all of you. The link will be down below. It is a super easy to join campaign. I also have a dedicated trading channel over here on Telegram. If you want to come and join, I share all of the price analytics, as we see here, of Doge, BNB, Link, Ethereum, Solana, Hype, AVAX, anything that you want, which it is all for free. You're not going to pay anything for it. And as well, if you want, you can trade over on a prop firm. I am partnered with Breakout, and Breakout offers you the possibility to go and get a $25,000 account for only $275, or a $10,000 for only $100. And you also get a discount if you utilize my code that you find down in the description to go and sign up for this one. These are my two platforms of choice: Breakout as a prop firm, and then we have over here Wix as my non-KYC exchange, which means everybody can go and participate, and they got some super nice juicy bonuses. Next up, let's talk about the Linea Airdrop. Now, first of all, price prediction, and what do I personally think is going to happen with Linea? Well, I do not think that Linea is gonna go anywhere bottoming and dying. Why? Look at the people behind it. We got MetaMask. MetaMask also issuing their stablecoin, which we know the USDC paired with the MetaMask, and they will not want Linea to go down. If anything, it's gonna go down. This thing over here, all of these people, Mastercard, SharpLink, MetaMask, and all of them, they will bring the price back up. Absolutely, yes. We've seen it with Zora. They did the same. Base did the same with Zora. Why did Zora go all of a sudden exponentially up? That is because they need to make money for the investors, and we're gonna be seeing the same with Linea if it's going to go down. Now, in terms of Linea allocation and price, what do I hope? Well, I hope at least that it's going to launch at a $1 to $2. That would be absolutely ideal. I have no idea if that is something logical or not. Let me know your thoughts as well down in the comments below. But to go and check your allocation, well, first of all, through the link down below, you will be redirected to this one. So this is the Juno platform. And if you come over here, you will be able to go and put your wallet right down here. You see this one, for example, this is my wallet, but you will be landing to this page that you see everybody's token, as we see right here. Simply go down to the search, click on you copy your wallet from MetaMask or any other wallet that you're using, and put it over here. Now, as we see here, I got 2,364 LXP, which potentially could be meaning the one-to-one token with the Linea one. I got a LAM of 2.9, which potentially this LAM could, as far as we understood online, it does mean that this is basically a multiplier for the different actions or the time that you've been active, of the amount of bridges that you've done, the amount of transactions. So this is like a multiplier to reward you, not only for completing a few quests, but also for how long have you participated for a total of 7,000-ish tokens. So of course, I hope it's going to be a $1 to $2 price that we start with, which then would be really, really nice. And yes, if I do see that it is a $1 or a $2 price, I will potentially go and sell it and then buy it once it goes lower, because of course it's going to dip. There's about 420,000 people that are going to receive the airdrop, as we see right here. All of these 420,669 are the peoples that are able to go and even sell a minimum part of it. So of course people will sell it. People will want to take profit. Doesn't matter which community, whether it is the strongest community, everybody wants to take profit at some point. So yes, I will potentially sell it and rebuy it when it's lower, but I do believe that Linea will exponentially go up. There are too many key players in this protocol in this picture that for it to go down. So this is the first one. The LXP is the one-to-one with the Linea token. The LAM is a multiplier, and the total tokens theoretically that you're going to receive is this one over here. Everybody's gonna have different, so let me know yours down below. One other thing that we see over here, this is the Linea Allocation multiplier, the LAM, which you can also check from this other Linea scam, but it's basically easier to simply go and do it all in one go over here on Dune, that you see that it is a decimal. It is a 0.00002908. And if we see this one, it is all different. We can go and check it. As we see here, I have basically have a 2908. This, that it would potentially mean a multiplier of 2.9. If we see over here, sent it from this wallet who sent it out to everybody, we can see that everything else is different. If we pick this one, for example, by any chance, or simply something different, as we see here, it is a different LAM for everybody. This has a 1.7. So the LAM is potentially a very key indicator for how much you participate, what you've done for the ecosystem, and all of them goodies, which is why it's everything different. And the other one is the LXPL. Now, in terms of the LXPL, it could potentially be a liquid token that they provide you, or you have the possibility to potentially have a bonus into a liquidity pool, something around those lines, because I personally have 45,478 now. I wish this would be a one-to-one token with the airdrop and the total token allocation that you would receive, because I do have a lot. And actually, I was looking a little bit around, I got 45,000 of this one, which I want to know what they are. But as of right now, we still don't know. But if we see here that it's been sent from these people here, and we take any other wallet, I checked it for a while, and I was hard to find anybody with an XPL like mine or above. So go and check out. I will leave you this link down below over here. And all you gotta do once you get to this link that I will leave down below, simply search by address, go and paste your MetaMask wallet address right on here, and you will see the amount of points that you did receive. As we see here, for example, this one was the Lina one. I clicked over here and I see that I've got X amount of transactions. So from to, as we see over here, and this is what I was able to go and see. But make sure to go and check it as well over for yourself. And as we see here, for example, this other person that did get it like me, it didn't get the same amount that I did, which is a little bit not suspicious, but just curious to see that, oh, they had a different one. So I do have quite a lot in terms of what is the amount that I do have, which is very, very nice. Absolutely. Don't get me wrong. And I got 45,000 of it, as we see here, 45,000, which it is really, really nice. There's a little bit more holders for the LXPL in terms of the LXP token, as we see here, 491,000 tokens or wallet, as well as here it is 420,000 wallets. So there could be a difference between that. But as we see here, I got 45,000, which is actually really, really good. And I am honestly happy with it. Absolutely, yes. We can see here, for example, this is another transaction that they did to these other people, and you see here that it is different in terms of the amount. So potentially could be something good. But as we see here with the Linea Association, this is the official Linea account, the LXPL, which is what I do have about 45,000, as we see over here. I have 45,000 of it, 45,478. This one, the LXPL plus the LAM, which LAM is the multiplier, which we do have 2.9, means that you are safe to go and get the airdrop. So basically, everybody that have the two combined now is going to be airdrop checker or airdrop eligible. So the LXP, potentially it is something completely different, or the LXP is the first batch and the LXPL could be a multiplier, could be something to go and add on top as well, which would be absolutely amazing, because there is not something that you receive 1 or 0 in terms of like eligible or not eligible if you need to utilize the number as an eligibility checker. This is different values for it. So as we see here, somebody has a total of 6.4 million LXPL, which is absolutely incredible. 9.5, like people have an extremely amount of LXPL, so way more than the one that I have. So let's go and see. Let's go and see what it is. But as of right now, you can check your allocation, yes, from the Linea checker right here. This is where you can go and put your wallet down here. You can check your LXP, which as of right now, as we said, is the one-to-one with the Linea token. We have the LAM. The LAM is the multiplier, theoretically, that we're thinking is going to be the multiplier for you to multiply the LXP for the LAM, which could be potentially the amount, as we said, of bridge swaps, transactions, amount of time that you utilize the chain, for a total of the. If it ends like that, then we are eating good. If not, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. But with that said, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow because there's gonna be daily updates on it. So turn the notification bell on, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Ciao, guys.